Friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to install BMS in lithium ion battery pack. In my last video in part 1 I have shown you how to make a 48 volt 12 amp lithium battery, and in this video I will show you how to install the BMS part. So we will not waste your time, let's start the project. So friend, first of all the most important thing is the BMS part, that is the battery management system, which will be required to install in any battery from risks of fire or from any type of electrical protection. So the battery management system I have purchased is of 48 volt and 20 amps, so it can take load of about 20 amps. So two port is given, B minus and P minus, which is the output. So now let's see how to install it. First of all, install all the cables as shown in the video before connecting BMS. The first one is the negative wire, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and like this you have to connect total 14 number of wires. The red wires will be connected with the positive and the black wire will be connected with the negative, and you must install all the cable one by one respectively. So you can see it here. I have connected all the wires and I have checked all the connections. So now you have to install the battery management system. So I have installed the battery management system and connected it with power supply, the multimeter, to check it. So it will give output of about 52 volt. So after completing all the work, you have to protect it with the help of tape, plastic tape. The output B minus will be connected with the battery negative and P minus will be connected with the charger. So the battery negative is connected with B minus and the P minus will be the output, that is the negative terminal, which will be connected with the EV, and green wire is the positive output of the battery. So you can see friend, the total build part is complete, and now in the next video I will install it in my EV to check it and how it is performing. So by this way you can make this type of battery at only 3500 to 4000 rupees only. I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscribers. Thank you.